Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick video of this backsplash, what it took and what it costed. We completed this project in the fall of 2019 in the Princeton, New Jersey area. It was a lovely backsplash. So here's the photos of what it looks like beforehand and a few photos of the tile right here. Here's a photo of the tile before installed. Then what it took to do, we protect everything in the house there, the floors, the countertops especially. And this we had to template it to make everything come out nice and straight, nice and clean. Here's the pictures of the actual installation, and then here's the finished pictures right here. Okay, so what did this backsplash actually take time-wise? Well, it took about 3 days. The first day we came in there, make sure all the wall board was sound, scraped everything down. This is a remodel. Someone else did the kitchen. They had us come and do the tile, so we make sure everything is up to specs. In this case, we use a primer on the backsplash to make sure everything bonded well. So that was the first day we came in there, set up the whole site, protected everything, then started prepping the backsplash and then painted the primer on there. Day two, we came in there. Actually on the first day too, we were actually able to template some of the tile and get some of it installed. So that was able to get done the first day. It's about a 9-10 hour day on site. Second day we came in and continued with installation, more templating and more setting. We had it set by the second day, the whole entire backsplash. Third day we came in, cleaned up everything, made sure that everything was nice and clean, all the grout joints are clean, everything was prepped and ready for grout. So third day we came in, we grouted everything up, made sure it was nice and clean, clean up the whole job site. Then we had enough time that day, we actually caulked the top and bottom of the backsplash. Important thing that a lot of guys won't do, they'll grout the top and bottom of the backsplash. Now given sometimes you need to do that, but most cases you can use a flexible caulking material or even a 100% silicone. So that's just a quick tip, and that way nothing will have a crack in the future. So that was 3 days on this backsplash. Okay, now what did this backsplash cost to hire us to do this installation? So this price will pretty much include everything that we see here that we did on the backsplash except the actual tile. The client supplied the tile, and in most cases we usually have that. We have a few places we recommend. So what did it cost? Well, this backsplash costs around $2,700. Now what is your backsplash going to cost? Well, it's going to vary, but this one in particular was $2,700. So I hope that helps. If you do have any questions regarding your tile installation and what it may cost, please give us a call, and we'd love to see how we can help you. Even if we're in a different state, we'd love to talk to you and see how we can help you with hiring a contract in your area. We are in the Central Jersey area, if you haven't looked this up already. So if you do need help at all, we're here to help. Thanks again for tuning in, and see you guys in the next video.